Brian with you to take a look at this nice 19th century volume relating to yachts. It is the American Yacht List for 1886. And as you can see, there is a section of advertising at the front. Then we get into these beautiful flag color lithographed plates here. These are chromolithographed. Interesting assortment of advertisements that are interspersed. Look at that great bicycle ad right there. Cigar boxes and cabinets. Very nice. Oopsie, there we go. Okay, there's that one, that one. And then we get to the title page, 1886. Okay. Then it's a register of the yacht clubs of the United States. Here is the register. It has the yacht's name, the dimensions, the build, the owners, the clubs, and so on. Looks like somebody has circled or annotated a few that for some reason or other they knew of or knew about. Oh, there's another telegraphic night signal flag plate there. Here's another one right here. And then at the rear, like so, there are, this is what we see. And this book is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.